For these last 2 weeks, I've been doing what I've been doing for the entire course of this project, and that's writing another article. The biggest difference, though, is the length. I'm really proud of the length, and it's finally within that word count that I was wanting. I was wanting all my articles to be a little longer, but just because of experience and not having a lot of it, I was working my way up to that perfect word count, and here it is. And I'm really loving this length. And something I've learned is that the more I've been writing, the more I love it. I really have a passion for this, and I'm proud of the work that I have put in, especially into this article. However, since I am mostly done with my website, there are a few touch-ups I'll work on later down the road. I've decided, hey, it's time for me to share this on social media. So what I decided is I posted it on LinkedIn. I shared it with LinkedIn, and I only posted it on LinkedIn just because with LinkedIn, that's where the companies are, and they're going to see my work. And that's the whole point of this project, is for these big companies to see the work and know that I am someone that can write and I am reliable. Maybe down the road, I will post on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram, something like that. But right now, I just wanted to focus on LinkedIn since that's where the companies are. And the biggest issue I've learned, and this was actually an interesting challenge, but was coming up with an effective caption for my social media post. And so that's just a unique talent that I want to begin working on a little more, just so I'm more comfortable with writing engaging captions that bring viewers in. And I just posted on LinkedIn, so I'll come back in a couple weeks and see how it was doing, to see if the hashtags were working. Maybe I need to tweak those a little bit. But in the meantime, it's just a waiting game to see if it brings in any viewers. And I'm excited to see what happens with them. These past 2 weeks have been great. I'm really excited with this final article and what I was able to do with it.